Righty, guys. I'm going to show you if you are trying to put those early C4 park brake shoes, retainer springs, back in after cleaning or whatever. In my case, I had to repair something. I didn't bother cleaning, as you can see. This is how you do it. Grab yourself a 1/4-inch drive. What size is this? 5 mil. The diameter of that makes it so you will go around that pinhead. Okay? You can keep it oriented the correct way, in the groove of the spring, so it doesn't rotate on you. You put this in here, okay, and you walk up to it with your, okay, and you press it in that way with your chest, like that. That way you still got your 2 hands free. Meanwhile, between the shoe and this flimsy tin plate back here, backing plate, you slide a piece of string or wire would be better. Thin wire would be better. In my case, pipe cleaner. You put it in and around the pin, okay? Now the head, let me see if I can get this screwdriver in here. Come on. The head of the pin, if you're doing this, you know what I mean, goes in that large round area right there that I'm pointing at with the screwdriver. You push in, you push it into this thing, and then you got to move it up the slot here. Well, what you do is you pull, you yoink like that. You pull like that to get it in while pushing in with your chest. And then when you're done, you pull the pipe cleaner out, which I haven't done yet, but let's do it. You pull the pipe cleaner out like that. Okay? That's how you do it. You can see that bar is situated up in the narrow segment of that little retainer groove thingy. Okay? That took me a long time to figure out.